And help is coming to people in Jamaica from a well-known attorney in Orlando.
And Nancy, this morning, Dan Newland loaded up his plane with supplies and flew them to the island. WESH 2's Bob Hazen tells us Newland is working with a reggae artist to get help to the hospitals.
He's like, yeah, we should get down there as soon as possible.
Dan Newland told me his friend, recording artist Shaggy, reached out to him. Shaggy's from Jamaica and has a charity that provides funding to a children's hospital there. They're working together to send aid to hospitals and people suffering from the devastation of Hurricane Melissa.
But we didn't know how bad it was really going to be. We started getting photos of the hospitals in Jamaica that were like 4 foot of water, the children literally on their hospital beds, being moved through like a lake to get in and out.
All of these folks work at Newland's law firm, and they bought and gathered all of these supplies, then showed up here early this morning to load them onto the plane.
Our people were amazing. They hit Target, Walmart, Instacart. My daughter, of course, you know, she's 20 years old. She knows how to go online and get stuff done. So we had pallets of food delivered last night.
In just a few hours, they had more than 500 pounds of food, water, and diapers, plus medicine donated by doctors. They filled up Newland's private jet, and it's all heading to Kingston, where groups will haul them out to parts hit the hardest by the storm.
We're going to make several trips. Right now we have 3 trips planned. And so we're going to start there and see how it goes.
Newland also has a connection to Jamaica. He has donated money to buy equipment at a hospital that does heart surgery for children there. And he's hoping that everyone steps up to help the people on the island who need it now.
It's a way to remind people, like, there's a lot of people suffering like 3 hours from here. And we can all maybe find a way to chip in or do something cool to help them out.
Covering Orange County in Orlando, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.